बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस लेक्चर में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 501 नंबर एमसीक्यू से। लास्ट लेक्चर में हमने 500 तक पढ़ लिए थे, समाजी प्रैक्टिकल एंड नहीं थे। The current is flowing into positive terminal of battery. The power is being absorbed. ये आंसर है। Difference between synchronous speed and dash is start sleep. Actual speed is start sleep. Difference between EMF is the line integral of constant conventional electric field generated by prime source I. Electronic circuit with high gain and phase shift oscillation produce oscillations. Square cage rotor with dash number of bars prevent current induced from imposing prime numbers. The definite integral of dy over dx is equal to cos x. इसका आंसर है sin x. The disadvantages of half-wave rectifier is that output is difficult to filter. Noise and resistance depend upon temperature. In a parallel resonant circuit at resonant voltage is maximum. कुछ इम्पीडेंस यहाँ पर कम हो जाती है रेजोनेंस पे. What is meant by admittance? ये ऑप्शन है इसका आंसर. Measure of how easily circuit or device will allow the flow of current. Force on 1 meter length of conductor in magnetic field created by a current of 1 ampere is magnetic induction. In right hand rule thumb point in the direction of current and finger third in the direction of magnetic field. Radius of curvature of path of a charged particle in a uniform magnetic field is directly proportional to the particle's momentum. Dash affects the dominate the sign of charge. Hall effect. Time constant of series RL circuit equals L over R. A answer is का. Ampere's law is concerned with the force on wire carrying current in magnetic field. Resistance, capacitance and inductance are passive elements. Magnets were first used by Chinese. A bridge used for the measurement of capacitance and dielectric loss of insulator is Shearing bridge. Long wire wound tightly on a cylinder core is called solenoid. Lenz's law is law of conservation of energy. Material having strong magnetic properties is called ferromagnetic. Brush voltage drop in dash in DC motor is usually of the order of 2. What will happen if relative speed between rotating flux of stator and rotor conduction motor is 0? Rotor will not run. If the oscillation per minute of rotor are 120 with stator frequency of 50 Hz, slip will be 4%. The power scale of circuit diagram of an induction motor can be found from stator resistance test, no load test, short circuit test. इसकी आंसर है C, short circuit test only. Variation in supply means frequency is compensated by dash in industrial motors. VFD. Critical resistance of DC generator varies with M. Which statement is valid for single phase capacitor start motor in steady state? Net forward flux is equal to net backward flux by rotor current. The answer is option test is conducted at full load. The back EMF of DC motor depend upon field flux. Equalizer connections are required when paralleling to shunt generators. Lead losses in DC motors. Highest losses in DC motors are copper losses. DC motors can easily be identified by commutator. Torque speed characteristics of DC motor is rectangular hyperbola. Usually very wide and sensitive speed control method is used for Merry-Winders. Large size alternator is protected against overload by providing temperature sensitive relays. The answer is electro test can be used to determine the efficiency of two identical transformer back-to-back test. Ratio error of current transformer due to the presence of exciting current. Device which compares difference between voltage and send signal is voltage comparator. In JFT, shunt sampling rate has current sampling gate is a linear. C answer is इसका. That circuits always have many element sequential. End effect of BTT refers to phase mirroring. Voltage gain of common collector is less than 1. In transistor circuit capacitor is used electrolyte capacitor. impedance of circuit common base transistor is high. Input impedance of common base transistor is low. In an ideal operation amplifier, if different signal is applied at both ends, output will be infinite. If the same signal is applied on both sides of operational amplifier with 100 decibel gain, output will be 0. Multiplexer convert parallel data into serial data. ASCII American Standard Code for Information in Detail is dash bit code, 7-bit code. Decoders convert binary input to input decimal. In the radio receiver, mixer stage contributes most of noise generated. A radio receiver has dash of amplification more than 3 stages. Hotbar anemometer are used to measure velocity of airstream. Method BPDT is for switch. Due to burning of 1 kilogram of pure carbon with a minimum quantity of air required, the percentage of carbon dioxide in exhaust gases would be 29%. A graphical representation between discharge and time is known as hydrograph. In an ideal diesel cycle, the working substance is air. Liquid following is generally not a constituent of coal chromium. Coal ranks classified coal according to its ash pump degree of metamorphism. All plants using coal works closely on mutual following cycle and time cycle. A standard efficiency of diesel engine depend upon compression ratio. Cooking is heating of coal in the absence of air, burning of CO2 and leaving in the residue on carbon. Nucleic oxide in nuclear reactor is moderator. Output of solar cell of the order of 1 watt as compared to steam and air to the time, which following will be larger at a specific volume. The model of transmission line in which full charging current flow over half of cycle is nominal N, nominal T. Correct answer is nominal T. Which following installs certain length of actual transmission line, distribution delay line, present state stability is improved by using high-speed governors or machines. Surge resistance of transmission line is of the order 400 ohms. In high mode transmission line, the topmost conductor is X conductor. Steam effect is proportional to diameter of conductor square. Shunt capacitance is usually neglected in the analysis of short transmission lines. in order to reduce skin effect as UHF as copper tube with signal plating are used. Transmission lines means generating station to receiving end stations. Flowchart of thermal power plant consists of dash main circuits, four main circuits. In dash, the furnace is arranged as horizontal cylinder, cyclone, fire boiler. Fossil fuel plants often have dash section in steam generating furnace, superheater. Overload protection requires dash which simply measures the current in circuit and is used with protection device for measuring current transformer. Dash measures both voltage and current in relay point. Differential protection. Protective device. Dash is the process of determining the best fit timing of current injection and fault occurrence. Coordination. In dash, one or two phases become connected to earth via low impedance path where magnitude will increase dramatically as current with imbalance. Earth fault. Dash is used because offer precise control of voltage, frequency, watts and watt. Synchronous generator. In process control system, there are three main style factor manipulated variables: dash and uncontrolled variables established. Process control consists of four essential elements such as process measurement, dash and dash evaluation. Dash provide a conducting path from DC for rotating field winding. Connector is internal part of motor are protected from environmental element by interior. Dash exciter test field power from generator output voltage. Shunt type. Dash which feeds its own current from its output. Step rectum से एक बार NTS बिल मार्क्स करता है. Modern voltage regulators are designed to maintain generator line voltage with better than dash of running for wide variation machine. 1% plus minus 1%. Sinusoidal voltage and current at constant frequency are characterized by two parameters: maximum value and phase angle. Electric power that can be generated at low load is determined by phase current heating limit. Power system dash is a word used in connection with power system denoting a condition where in the various alternator in the system remain in synchronism with each other. Stability. Dash transformer are used for voltage of low value and dash transformer are for high value. Electronic transformer. Electronic transformer are used for high voltage voltage of low values and power transformer of high values. Each of following circuit are used to measure performance of transformer. Equivalent circuit. Each transformer splits standing voltage into two equal voltage center tape transformer. Each of following is not a type of thyristor load inverter gate. उम्मीद है कि आप सब लोग को ये वीडियो काफ़ी हेल्पफुल साबित होगी। अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो मेरे चैनल को लाइक कर लें, सब्सक्राइब कर लें, बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें ताकि हर आने वाली वीडियो को अपडेट मिल सके और आप उसको बर वक्त देख सकें। शुक्रिया।